you will go back to your push-pull tool and you will select the top area of the CMU wall. So what this will do is it will just continue to add to this, but we need to actually have a separate piece that represents the 4-inch cap block. So what you would need to do is tap the control key on your keyboard, and that will separate the two pieces. So now this particular area here is going to represent the 4-inch cap block. So again, in order to do that, you would just tap the control key, and that will allow you to add the 4-inch cap block to the existing CMU wall. So just pull this up, type in 4 and press enter, and that will separate these two components of the wall. The next component you will create will be the 2x6 seal plate. So again, you're going to be using the actual dimensions for this. So from this point, as far as the width of it, from this point to this point, that's going to be your 5.5 inches. So it's going to be 5.5 inches wide. The height of it, and I will put that in a different color. The height of it from top to bottom of that component, that's going to be your 1 1/2. It's going to be 5.5 inches wide and 1 1/2 inches high. So that's going to be the size of that rectangle. So you will go to your rectangle tool, and we're going to put it on the inside of the 4-inch cap block. So I'm going to click on that corner on the inside, press the right arrow key on your keyboard in order to lock it in along the red axis. You will type in 5.5, comma 1 1/2 and press enter. So that will give you a rectangle that is 5.5 wide and 1 1/2 inches high. So this 2x6 seal plate goes all the way around the perimeter of the wall. To make that happen, you're going to use the follow me tool, which is this tool here. So that's the follow me tool. You're going to click on the shape that you just drew. And then in the command line, it will prompt you to move the cursor along a path. So I'm going to move the cursor along this inside path of the cap block, and I'll just keep moving it along. So I'm just moving along the inside edge of the 4-inch cap block all the way around the model until I get back to the start point. Which is here. So I'll click there, and that will create that shape. So that will represent the seal plate that is sitting on top of the cap block. And we will do the same thing for the 4-inch brick. So for that 4-inch brick, since that is like masonry, that's the nominal size is 4 inches. The actual size is 3 5/8 of an inch. So again, the same thing with the CMU, the actual size is the nominal size minus 3/8 of an inch. So they subtract 3/8 of an inch from the nominal size in order to give you the actual size. So when you're creating the